You ready or what? Okay, listen, I was nominated for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Anthony DeVito. You bastard, I love you. So yeah, I accept the challenge on behalf of Cedar Stone Contracting. I see you guys doing like little buckets, little water and shit like that. Here at Cedar Stone we do it big, so we're filling up the dump truck.
Get a shot of the dump truck.
Get a shot of that. You lined it.
Inside there.
Yeah, I got my, okay, like 15 bags of ice. I got my safety vest and my goggles. Alright, let's see what the hell that looks like. Let's get killed.
Did you stop it? Okay, and we're going to nominate Paul George, Tyler Holt.
I'm going to nominate Marco Conte, Kyle McCloskey,
Roy Costa.
And Roy Costa.
Just getting prepared a little bit. All the ice in here.
You ready?
Yeah.
24 hours, donate. Cedarstone.ca.
Come on, Nelson.
Holy shit, that's full.
Okay. We're going to pull that lever down, hey, after?
Okay, I will.
Yeah, pull that down and come over here and do it.
Oh. We wear my glasses for.
Be careful with the head when it opens.
Hey, nice here, man.
Oh. Fuck.
Kyle, Marco.
Who else you got? Paul George? Paul George, Tyler Holt,
24 hours.
Roy Costa.